Hello everyone, I'm George from Anchor Creative Education and welcome to another episode of George Explains. In this episode I'm going to quickly explain about plural possessive apostrophes, an apostrophe which is used to show a plural of something. Now an apostrophe at an S or a team, an apostrophe doesn't make a sound. It doesn't make a sound. The apostrophe needs an S to make the sound of the apostrophe. Now things are a bit tricky when we talk about plurals of something. So here are some singular pieces of possession. Tom's hat, Tom apostrophe S hat. Tom's dog, Tom apostrophe S dog. Tom's castle, Tom apostrophe S castle. Now plurals are a little bit different. Most plurals end with an S, so that's called a regular plural. If a word ends in an S, things are a little bit different, like this. Here are my examples. Now this one, the top one says, the boys' game. The bottom one says, the boys' game. They sound exactly the same. Now this is the thing to remember. Some teachers might say, if we're doing a plural, that the apostrophe and the S, the apostrophe might come after the S, the apostrophe might come before the S. What we say is that the apostrophe comes when the word is finished. I'll do that again. The apostrophe comes when the word is finished. The word boy and the word boys are different words. If I say think of a boy, and now think of boys, you probably think of lots of boys, probably think of many different boys. But boy is one, boys is a plural. So when we use an apostrophe to show plural possession, it's a bit different. And here is George's box trick. If you are ever asked, does this apostrophe show singular possession or plural possession, this is what you do. Imagine the apostrophe falls down and makes a line. What you do is, as it falls down, make a box around the word that the apostrophe just finished. The word in the box is the word which owns the next thing, the next noun. So here's an example. Boys' game. The apostrophe comes after the word boy because the boy owns the game. The game belongs to the boy. Here we do with the apostrophe. Dum da dum da dum, dum da dum da dum, dum da dum da dum. And the game belongs to the boy. The word in the box is the word which owns the other thing. Now the second one, this is where we have a plural and it's a tiny bit different. The apostrophe drops down, dum da dum da dum, dum da dum da dum, dum. And the word in the box is different here because in this example, the game belongs to the boys. When a word is a plural and it already finishes with an S, you do not need to add another S because it would be very weird. We'd have boyses and sounds rubbish. Boys' game, the game belongs to the boys. Everything that comes before the apostrophe, that's the word. Everything that comes after the apostrophe, that little letter there is probably doing a job, the sound of the apostrophe. In this word, we already have the S sound, so we do not need another S. So this is George's box trick.